So my name is Mallikarjun. I stay in D404 of Hillcrest. I think you guys hosted very well on breakfast. Your guys also explained about Stonehill. And hope you guys will improve and increase our property value.
Hi, this is Pradeep from D703. First, nice to see you guys arranging this. I really love this community events. It's been great pleasure to having your assistance in our property engagements. It may be the rental or it may be the selling or buying the new properties, whatever it is. Your approach towards the residents is exceptional. I love to you guys receiving and letting get the needs of the each and every resident. That's really amazing. Good job. Thank you.
Prashant 1304. The 10th prize. Okay, he's not the right ticket. I will take it on his behalf. आ जाइए. D1304. आइए.
Thank you. Your 10th prize, sir.
बोलना पड़ा घर में भाई.
Yes.
फोन पे बता दो उसको.
So, Mr. Prashant sir, 1304 B block, Prashant sir, won the 10th prize.
10th prize है first.
10th. Okay, 10th prize. Sir, congratulations. Thank you very much, sir. Madam, the kids wants to take it.
हो गया?
Yeah, done, sir. Then we're done, sir. అదే అక్కడనే చేస్తాం.
लेके मना.
I don't know. B block.
Kirti Nair. Praveen Nair.
Navya is not here.
I'll give it to you.
I'll give it to you.
We'll call them, sir. We'll call them. So, and next.
Mama, please do something good. B again. 1807 T John.
E.E. John 1807. 1807 Mr. T.E. John.
That's number 8.
Not here?
No.
Okay. Now, Ajay, you handle. I'll go. Yes, yes, go ahead. Go ahead. One by one.
Yeah, any guesses?
B again.
B block 104. Imran Khan.
Oh, congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Which gift? Yeah. Sir, congratulations. 7th prize. You want to take it? Put your hand on this. आपको Bye. Thank you very much, sir.
Is it doing? It's not doing.
So any guesses?
A block.
No, it is from E block.
E block. Congratulations. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Sir, you also complete, sir. So congratulations. No, I didn't cheat. No cheating, no cheating. It's fair. Thank you, congratulations.
Yeah, it's fine. It's stored, then it's fine.
Yeah, it is from D block. Lavanya Kasam.
Okay, Lavanya Kasam, D block 404. This is your mom. Okay, done. Sir, you can. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, I can feel like this. Can you see? Okay, this.
Rodula Birla.
Rodula Birla, D block 1801. Congratulations. Come. Please. Come on. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. You're the 4th prize. Thank you.
B block 1802 RSS Reddy.
D block 1802 RSS Reddy. Oh, him?
Whoever is not that you do it again for me.
No, it's only one turn. Okay, this is what, second?
You can come.
Is this, yes? How many more are there? This is the last one?
D block 708 Raj.
D block 7. Congratulations. Second or first? So, Mr. Raj, D Block 708. So, you're the lucky second prize winner, sir. Thank you. Oh, you're the gift taker. No, you're not. He's the gift taker, sir. Thank you, sir. And okay, this is the finale. The first prize. The first prize. Okay, let's take concises. Which block do you think it will come? Okay. Okay, you have to announce.
So this is the first prize.
The first prize. Okay, go with the block. First, what block?
Here. What is this? This one?
610. Sonal Jain
Sonal Jain.
is the lucky final winner. No, not much excitement. So, yes, all done. We would be having travel vouchers which will come and give. We'll announce the lucky winners to you, sir. You can post it in the group. Our office will have the travel vouchers which they can.
For the lucky winner.
There are again 10 of them. So they can come and collect it from the office. So I would like to thank.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Hope you had a good time. Travel vouchers we'll pick up, sir. Winner. What's your name? Aditri. Okay, Aditri, the lucky winner. Miss Keerti Nair, the lucky winner. 9th prize. Thank you. The 8th prize, Mr. T.E. Johnson. Congratulations, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. Myself is Venkat. I am the Assistant Vice President of Hillcrest Pacifica. So there is an event which is done by Stonehill. So it is a very fine event which has been done over here, and all the residents are very happy to participate in this event. And very good tiffins has been provided to all the residents over here. We are very thankful for them, and we will see forward for the best services from Stonehill. So I congratulate Mr. Sheshi and their group of people who has put in effort over here to organize this event and make it a big success. Thank you all. Thank you very much for your support, and we will ensure that in future we will also support you in the same way what you have done over here. Thank you.
प्रीत रंजन प्रसाद, यहाँ जो आपने इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया बहुत अच्छा था। सबसे बड़ी बात थी कि खाना तो सब लोग खिलाते, पर इतने प्रेम से लोग आप लोगों ने खाना खिलाया, सबसे आग्रह करके रिक्वेस्ट करके खिलाया, ये बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें। लकी ड्रॉ के बारे में, लकी ड्रॉ बहुत अच्छा रहा। मैं तो जैसे ही नीचे आया तुरंत प्राइज अनाउंस हो गया मेरा। सबसे बड़ा लकी तो मैं ही रहा। थैंक यू।
Hi, my name is Ankit. I am a resident of Hillcrest Society. So it's a wonderful event organized by the Stonehill, and I've also used the travel services. I've applied, got the visa of Singapore, and very hassle-free service. I've also recommended the service to my friend who took service for Dubai visa. It was quite a smooth and quite encouraging experience we had. So would recommend to go for all the visa and travel services, even for the FX services. It's really good. Thank you.
मेरा नाम सुभद्रा है एंड इवेंट वाज रियली गुड। खाना काफ़ी अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ एंड अभी हमें पता चला कि क्या क्या सर्विसेज हैं स्टोनहिल के। सो आई एम श्योर हम भी कुछ सर्विसेज अभी लेने वाले हैं, बिकॉज वी आर ऑलरेडी प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप। सो वहाँ पे हमें डेफिनेटली हेल्प लगेगा। थैंक यू।
First of all, very thankful to Stonehill Property Management Company, give very good service. మేము ఇక్కడ టెనెంట్స్గా వచ్చామండి. వీళ్ళు చాలా బాగా సపోర్ట్ చేశారు. మంచి కమ్యూనిటీలో మాకు ఫ్లాట్ రెంట్కి ఇప్పించారండి. బట్ వెరీ గుడ్ సర్వీస్ అండి. మేము చాలా చూసాము, చాలా లొకేషన్స్కి వెళ్ళాము, చాలా అరౌండింగ్ ఒక 6-7 కిలోమీటర్స్ సరౌండింగ్ మొత్తం తిరిగాము. బట్ వీళ్ళ ద్వారానే మాకు ఒక మంచి ఫ్లాట్ ఇక్కడ మాకు టెనెంట్స్కి దొరికిందండి. చాలా మంచి సర్వీస్, గుడ్ సర్వీస్. మేము మూవ్ అయ్యే వరకు మాకు రెంటల్ అగ్రిమెంట్ కానివ్వండి, మాకు ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి సపోర్టింగ్ ఎవ్రీవేర్. కంప్లీట్ మేము మూవ్ అయ్యి అక్కడ మొత్తం సెట్ అయ్యి మేము ఆల్మోస్ట్ వచ్చి 10 days అయింది ఇక్కడికి. ప్రతి దాంట్లో వాళ్ళ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఉంది, ప్రతి దాంట్లో వాళ్ళ గుడ్ సపోర్టింగ్ ఉందండి. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు స్టోన్ హిల్ ప్రాపర్టీ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండి. అందరు యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోండి. వీళ్ళ చాలా కమ్యూనిటీస్లో వీళ్ళ మేబీ ఆఫీసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. వీళ్ళ మెయిన్ ఆఫీస్ గాజాగూడలో ఉంది. వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.